Hello friends, so finally the NEET exam is over, and as usual the mixed reactions starting from very easy paper to very difficult paper. So as I always say that it depends actually on individual student, that how you perceive the paper. We have seen all the kinds of students. Those sometimes they say that the paper was very easy, but when you look at the ranks they are not as per expectations. On the other hand, there are people who are crying after the exam and they are amongst the topper. I should not say that, but I was also amongst those who always used to cry after the exam. And my friends used to say that for any exam in which I have cried, I will top that particular exam. But anyways, so now that chapter is over. Now the point that I want to raise with this particular video is that now there are people who are saying this point to me, is that sir, there is a gross difference that has happened in our life. Now we had lot to do before the NEET exam, and now we don't have anything to do. What to do? So what I will say is that, see, there are already 2 days that have been passed, and I think that is a good enough time to relax yourself, or going on to the Facebook and looking at the answers of those particular questions. And now the aim is to move on. Now the point that I will say is, now I went to the daughter my daughter's school few days back for a sports day event, and I saw a very beautiful quote written over there, and that is to set your aim high and don't stop until you get there. Now, this was a very simple quote, but if you look at this particular quote, the whole crux of your journey lies with this particular quote. Now, many times now we are getting messages that, sir, what will be the score, what will be the cutoff, whether will be the 50th percentile is at 300 or 400, how I can analyze the paper, was it tougher than the previous NEET or was it easier than the NEET, how do you compare it with the aims at this point of time. See friends, the result has been secured now. You have done your best as per your preparation. Now don't think about that. The 2 days were enough time on that. Now move on. Now first thing that you have to see is, just think whether it was your best attempt or not. Okay. Now if for whatever reason that you think that your preparation was not up to the mark, or you were not able to do the best that you wanted to do, then move on in your life. And we have many more exams coming up. All I will say is that please don't lose your focus. We have Central Institute exams, we have mid-year DNB that is coming. Please stay focused on all those exams. Try to identify your forgettables. Now many students are saying after the exam, sir, kash हमने आपकी बात मान ली होती, that we should have focused more on revision because the questions were very familiar, but we were not able to pick up the answer from the 2 choices that were given. Anyways, all that has been a past. Now let's move on in the future. Let's move on in the life. Just stay focused. If you think that it was not your best attempt, don't waste your precious 20-25 days before the result. Even if it comes out to be the best of your expectation, then still you are learning. But stay focused. If you think that it was not your best attempt, then start from today. Make your schedule again. Please focus on revision. Again, set your goals. Try to identify. I hope all of you have understood that all exams that matter is not very high-fi stuff. It's very basic stuff that you're able to recall at the time of exam. If you have any problem, as I always say, feel free to talk to me. I will be more than happy to answer to your queries. Next few days are relatively free for us, so I can take care of any number of queries that you have. Feel free to talk to me, feel free to message me, and I am here to help you in the best of my capacity. I wish you all the best for the result ahead.